Okay, my 3-minute video of how to do Pollo C. Garlic oil with cut rosemary, some cut up spring onions, throw them in, give them a good whirl round, get some bacon bits, put those in, warm them through, sizzle it around for a bit, keep that going till they're a little bit juicy. Then get ready to add your chicken. You should have pre-cut this really. So 500 grams is probably enough for 4. So you'll need you'll have it for 2 of you, I expect. Probably each thigh will be cut into 6 maybe, or 4 if you want it bigger. Give it a good browning. Then you need to add 125ml of white wine. It doesn't really matter which one. When that comes to a bubble, you need to add, it says a tablespoon of celery salt. I usually put a couple in. Spread that in. Give it a stir round. Here comes the second. Good stir. Turning it round all the time. Getting the chicken to cook a little bit, brown a little bit. Then you need a 400-gram tin of chopped tomatoes. Add that in. Once that's bubbling, give that another stir. Mix it all round. Should simmer again. Then a teaspoon of sugar, maybe 2. Give that another stir. Then you want a couple of bay leaves. Make sure they're buried in. Should be nicely bubbling by now. And then that really needs to simmer for probably about 20 minutes with the lid sort of half on, half off. Good time to pour yourself a glass of wine while you're waiting. Cheers. And then you need to do some rice, obviously. Stick it together with that, and you've got it all done in 3 minutes.